Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Remote Learning from Miss Turner's new classroom. I hope you are all staying safe and healthy, and I just want you to know that I miss you very much. I hope you guys are all having a lot of fun and you enjoyed your spring break. So my goal for our remote learning journey is to keep our routine as similar as possible to what we were doing at school. So that means that we would continue doing our morning meeting, some reading, math, tech time, and social skills. We're going to be doing this through a choice board, but for these morning meetings, we're going to go through and do our binders like we usually do, our daily question, and then I'll upload a read aloud too. I also want to make a quick disclaimer that if you guys hear or see my cats at any point through this, I apologize, but they like to hang out with me and be around, so here's Aria. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm thinking every day will start by me going through our calendar, and then I'll show you guys what it would look like on our binders as well. So, starting out, today is Wednesday, March 25th. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, and tomorrow is Thursday. The month is still March, like I just said, but when we last left, our season was winter, and it was finally spring. I know a lot of you guys were really anticipating that, so yay, spring. The weather, looking outside from where I'm at, it does look to be partly cloudy, partly sunny, so I'm going to change my weather to that. And I haven't been outside, but I looked at the temperature and it's cool. We have been in school for 134 days. And here is our daily question of the day, and I'll go over that in our binder. Now that we've gone over the calendar, let's go ahead and write it down. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. I have been in school for 134 days. The month is, we're still in March. The weather today is, if you can't remember, you can go back in the video to look at what I pointed out, or just look outside your window. I indicated it was partly cloudy, and honestly, it's starting to get kind of sunny, so I'm going to circle both. The season is spring. Before we left, we were circling winter because it was still technically winter. Now it is spring. The temperature is cool. Clothes I can wear today. I'm wearing a sweater. You could also wear a t-shirt and a jacket. Pants. Definitely not a swimsuit. Today I feel happy. The special I have today, typically we would go through and we would look at the board to see what special we have, but we're not at school, so we don't have specials. However, I know that today I'm going to go on a walk with my family, and that would go into the category of gym, so I'm going to circle gym. Today, my shirt is kind of like a whitish color, or like a tan, so I'm gonna circle white. Today, my pants are blue, because I'm wearing blue jeans. Now it's time to write my address. And for the sake of this video going on the internet, I'm not going to write my address, but I encourage you to continue writing your address each day. Now it's time for question of the day. The question of the day is, what do you like? Pencils or pens? Now, don't forget when we write our question of the day, we want to focus on 4 things. 1, we want to start with a capital letter, I. We also want to make sure we have proper spacing. we were using a spaceman tool, or our finger, to have proper spacing between our words. I'll show you that when I write mine out. We also want to make sure that we're using proper punctuation and using a complete sentence. So if the question is, what do you like? You're not just going to write pencils or pens. You're going to make sure you write, I like pencils or I like pens. Let's get started. There's my sentence. Let's go back and check. Do I have a capital letter? Yep. Do I have appropriate spacing between my words? Yeah. Did I write in a complete sentence? I like pens. I did. And did I use proper punctuation? Yes. Now go ahead and try this on your own. If I went too fast or there was something you didn't understand, make sure you go back, scroll back in the video, and repeat that section. Again, this is just like our morning routine at school, so you guys should be pretty comfortable with this, but if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. Now that we're done with our morning meeting, go ahead and move on to your choice board. Your first activity should be reading. Have a great day.